What's going on, good people? So there is one thing that you can be doing to your lawn right now to make it look better than what it does. I know a lot of us have the cool season lawn blues right now. It's not looking the best. It has been going through the battle. It is like a boxer in the 12th round trying to make it to that last bell. But hey, fall renovation and repair time is around the corner, but there's one thing that you can be doing right now, and we're going to talk about it in this video. Simple, costs you nothing, but it will improve the look of your lawn. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so this is going to be a quick tip. So there's one thing that you can do right now. My lawn's still looking pretty good, no complaints at all. But to make it look even better, one of the things we can do is we can get these edges nice and crisp. As you can see, like, we've had heavy downpours and rain, and we've got mulch that is built up along that edge. You can't even see our crisp edge anymore. It is a very simple task that you can do. Go in and just rake this mulch back, and then that way you can come back in, put a nice crisp edge on it with your trimmer, and be good to go and improve the overall look of your lawn. Just give it that tidy, crisp look. You can come in, if you're like me, your weeds and stuff are starting to catch up with you now. These are actually tree saplings. Those are starting to come in. We can come in and clean these mulch beds and things up. Just get those weeds and stuff out of there, crisp that edge up, and then improve the overall look of what the lawn looks like. I've actually already came back here and I've at least pulled the mulch back, but then we got another rainstorm just last night. So you see how I've now pulled that mulch back. You can now expose that edge. I can come in with my string trimmer and just put a nice crisp edge on that, and it's gonna make this look a lot tidier and cleaner than if it was all mounded up like it is right now. You don't even see where your edge is. So get there and there, pull that mulch back, spread it back out, get that mulch down, put that nice crisp edge on it, and then it'll make the overall look of the lawn a lot better. All right, so that is what we're gonna tackle right now. Just a quick, simple thing for us to go do to improve the look of the lawn. Let's get out here and knock it out. Real easy, not gonna take us long. We don't even need a whole lot of tools. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it, and then we're gonna get y'all out of here. All right, so y'all have seen me use this tool a number of times in making the edges and getting them created. It's gonna be the same thing that we're gonna do. We're just gonna get right in here, boom, pull that, put the point right down in there, and we're gonna pull it back. Not really digging into the soil, trying to pull dirt up, but we're trying to pull that mulch back, expose that edge, especially if you're on a slope like this one is. You see all the mulch likes to pile up down here in the bottom. And this is where all our mulch likes to pile up at when we get these heavy thunderstorms and gully washers. It just all piles up right there. So we're gonna get this mulch back up where it's supposed to be, and then once we get it out, we can come in, like I said, with our rake and smooth it back out. Now we can grab our string trimmer, come in, clean this up, get it nice and tight and crisp, and we'll be good to go. All right, see, now look at that. Look at the difference in that. Look at the difference in that edge. And you got a little bit of clippings there. I'll just take my rake and then just rake that back in. And look at that. Look at that crisp edge. And it's gonna improve the overall look of the lawn and give it that nice, tight appearance. After trimming that up, you can come in, cover those clippings up, come in with your rake, and just smooth that out, move it around. It'll also hide some of those clippings that you just had, even though they'll break down and go away here in a couple of days. Not that I'm really worried about that, but it does get rid of them. I'll come back and clean up the weeds that are in here and get those taken care of like we talked about. But this cleans us up and gets us a lot tighter and neater and crisp to improve the overall look of the lawn, which that's what we're going for. We like to stay crispy all year round. We like to stay crispy all year round. We won't take no time off, even if the lawn's not looking the best. And it costs you nothing. Costs you no money, a little bit of effort, not even a whole lot of effort, just a little bit of effort. And then also, you'll know that things are good and tidy going into renovation and repair time of the year. Get that mulching stuff in place. You can also use mulch glue that'll help hold the mulch in place. A lot of times by this time of year, it's kind of started to break down. So that's also an option. And you can also get out here and just maintain. Typically, I just maintain my edge every other mow. You'll see me grab the trimmer and do what I just did every other mow to keep everything nice and crisp. As long as the mulch and everything is in place, the only thing I really need to do is just grab the trimmer and just do what I just did. But like I said, I'll get in here, get these weeds and saplings out of here. But overall, that's something that y'all can be doing right now to keep your lawn nice, crisp, tight, and just improve that overall look. So as we always say, just know we working, hang in there. Fall renovation and overseeding time and repair is right around the corner. We're a couple of weeks away. So make sure you're getting your seed. Elm Street Elite is available. Information down in the description. Phoenix is available, your fertilizer for the fall to help get that lawn established and growed in before the winter hits. Check out Phoenix, also information down in the description. So it is that time of year. We are almost there. Hang in there, people. Cool season, our time is coming back around and we'll be shining and thriving while the warm season people kind of get ready to take a back seat to all the bold stripes and color and dark green that us cool season people love. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. Y'all have a good one. Just know.